To replace the batteries in your Dorgard fire door retainer, you will need a Phillips screwdriver and 2 C-sized replacement alkaline batteries. Please note that rechargeable batteries and lithium batteries should not be used in the Dorgard. When changing the batteries in your Dorgard, please be aware that the plunger will be released, so you will need to carry out the battery change while the door is closed. Locate the retaining screw for the battery compartment on the top right of the Dorgard and unscrew. Please note that as you are unscrewing the battery compartment, the Dorgard may emit a number of flashes and beeps. Once unscrewed, lift the battery compartment and remove the depleted batteries. Place the new batteries into the compartment, ensuring that the positive terminals are located at the top. This is important as inserting the batteries in the wrong way could lead to internal damage. Lower the battery compartment into the Dorgard and tighten the screw, taking care not to over-tighten. As you are tightening the screw, the Dorgard will emit a series of beeps and flashes. This is normal. To indicate that you've inserted the batteries correctly, you will hear the Dorgard motor activate, followed by 3 beeps.